In this problem, we have three resistors that are connected in parallel, which is then connected to our power supply. We want to know the current flowing through just one of those resistors, the 13 ohm resistor. So first, let's draw a little sketch here. We have three resistors that are in parallel with one another. That's connected to our power supply. Okay, so 8-volt power supply, resistances of 10, 19, and 13 ohms. And we want to know how much current flows just through this 13 ohm resistor. Well, we know the current could also flow, some of it through the 19 ohm resistor, some of it through the 10 ohm resistor. And we might look at this and think, well, we need to know the total resistance here so we can solve for the total current. But because this is a parallel circuit, then what we know is that each of these resistors must receive 8 volts. Because they're in parallel, they get equal voltage, equal to the power supply. So then we already know the resistance and the voltage for this. We don't need to do any extra steps. We can just say that Ohm's law will tell us that voltage is current times resistance. And so the current must equal the voltage divided by the resistance. And so because we know that we get 8 volts applied to this 13 ohm resistor, 8 over 13 is we get a current of 0.62 amps.